Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the menu and will open Chrome's main settings interface where you can customize various aspects of your browser experience. Clicking on Settings is essential as it gives you access to all the customization features you need to change your display preferences. Once the settings page opens, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side of your screen. This panel contains different categories for organizing Chrome's various settings. Look for the Appearance option in this left sidebar and click on it. The Appearance section is where Chrome stores all settings related to how your browser looks, including themes, font sizes, and display modes. Now within the Appearance settings, you'll see an option labeled Mode. Right next to this label, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available display mode options. You'll typically see choices like Light, Dark, and Device. The Device option means Chrome will automatically match your computer's system theme, while Light will give you the traditional bright interface regardless of your system settings. Go ahead and click on either Light or Device depending on your preference. If you choose Light, Chrome will immediately switch to a bright interface with a white background. If you select Device, Chrome will follow whatever theme your operating system is currently using. The change happens instantly, so you'll see dark mode turn off right away as your browser interface transforms to the lighter color scheme, and that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.